Good morning. Today we are back in Steyn City, city center, and I'm going to show you an upstairs apartment with an extra large balcony. This is a one-bedroom apartment. It is currently on for rent. It's been advertised for rent, and you can have a look and see what city center has to offer in terms of the one-bedroom apartment. Come and have a look. So I've come out of the lift in Tower C and I'm now walking down the corridor. We are on the third floor. You can see the beautiful city center square that is surrounded by the buildings with the different apartments, and we are now coming into this one bedroom apartment that has literally just been released to the new owners. Stepping into the apartment, what we're walking into is the kitchen. The kitchen is standard with all appliances built in. So immediately to the right, you can see here is your Siemens dishwasher, various cupboards and drawers, Gaggenau oven and gas top, and the gas here is prepaid, as well as your electricity. There is also the Gaggenau microwave, and if we go to the left of the entrance, here is your Siemens washing machine and tumble dryer, some additional storage here, and your freezer that are also Gaggenau. So everything nice and neat. The flooring is vinyl wood flooring, beautiful strip lights, and we have those recessed ceilings to conceal the built-in air conditioning that you have throughout the unit. There is also even a fire alarm, so really everything that you need in a top of the range upmarket apartment. All the connectivity is also already built in and wired, so you literally just bring your furniture. The kitchen, big waterfall countertop with space for a few bar stools, and then you've got your window here from your living room, as well as a door leading onto the very massive balcony that you've got for this specific unit. This is also a double glazing windows, so the temperature can be kept very moderate and even. Now I'm walking into the bedroom. Built-in cupboards along the wall, and of course also wired for TV. Your TV points and your internet points are here, and then the ensuite full bathroom that is standard for all the one bedroom units. The electricity hasn't been connected yet, it is prepaid, so it's a touch dark. There are the windows here though, so it is very nicely aired bathroom with a bath, double basin, beautiful built-in shower and a toilet tucked away, and then access to the balcony, the same as from the living room. And this is a massive balcony. I believe it is over 100 square meters in size. It's just, this unit benefits from its location. So what you've got is a covered section where I would imagine you can put a bit of soft furniture, and then you've got the open section here that also benefits from not being too windy, because you have this wall on the one side, and it's a pretty wall, it's stone clad. And look at the size of this balcony. You could literally put a tennis table here. You can have an outdoor pool table. You can literally see this as your playground. So very well positioned unit. And then right in front of you is yet another one of the city center playgrounds, get together, piazzas, that it has to offer, and you also get a view. So a really, really nice apartment, made extra special because of this massive balcony. So there you go. Call us and come and have a look.